right, for a pool update. Last time I did a pool video, this pool was green, and I did it to show y'all how to get it from green to blue. But this right here is a pool update. Like, this is like some crystal clear blue right here. You can't beat that. And I'm gonna tell y'all how I maintain it. All right, so what I do is this is what I use. And my just about, I think it's about like 20,000 gallons. I use this. I put 3 tabs in and I run the pool like I run the pool anywhere from 10 to 12 hours a day. Sometimes a little bit more if I forget. But that's what I use, and I also use this. It's Dolphin. This is the brand. And yeah, this thing, that thing do wonders. You get the algae, you get the leaves, all that. Let it run about 3 hours. So we'll get this, drop it in. I set it, turn the water on, set it to how many hours I need it to turn. You know, sit in the water and just run its course. And, you know, do all that. Regular system, turn on, off, 12 hours. Drop my three tabs in here. And of course, that's a filter. And you know, you gotta have it on, you know, we got it on the filter setting. Got it wide open. So yeah, man, I just had to drop a video giving y'all this pool update on how I managed to keep it clean. And of course, every now and then, every blue moon, you get come out here with your scrubber and scrub the walls, make sure any algae is building up. If the little machine ain't get it. So, past couple of days, been having like a few storms or whatever, but it's getting the leaves. But like I said, this is my help. That in a net to get the stuff that's floating. But as y'all can see, this water is crystal clear. Drop down in the comments if you got any kind of questions on what I use, where I get it, or whatever. Drop down in the comments if you got any kind of questions. I can try my best to answer all those questions. I'm not your professional pool cleaner, but I taught myself this. It's about time for me to go get some more, but yeah. So yeah, drop down in the comments. Any kind of questions. Compliments, whatever you want to put down there. And don't forget it. If this video helped, subscribe. I have more videos coming. It just ain't gonna be about pools. It's gonna be about it's a little something of everything. But this is one that look like it's more viewed on my channel. But yeah, let's get it. Smash that like button and subscribe. All right, catch you. Look at that. Can't get no clearer than that. Well, drinkable. I still gotta get some spots, but like I said, that's the end of this video. All right. Okay, well, later I'll drop in a review on this. I've had it for almost a year now, since I did the last cleaning. But yeah, I'll drop in a review on this machine. I got one more, it failed. I don't know why it failed, but I might just try to fix it myself. and sending it off because it costs too much for me to just sit and just let it sit to the side. But like I said, man, this is easy. Like I said, I'll do a review on this next time on my next video. Peace.